Poetry is evocative. It elicits a reaction in anyone who reads or listens to it, adding the lyrical beauty of Kashmir to poetry. And we, as readers, know that we're in for dazzling treat. Here are some famous Kashmiri poets who dazzled us with their poetry. Nasim Shafai. I asked the rose, where is your scent? It said, the autumn took it away. I asked the spring, why the lines on your forehead? It said, for my wounds have been salted. So I left the garden that once bloomed, and since then I wander aimless. The first Kashmiri woman to win the acclaimed Sahitya Academy Award, Nasim Shafei, is one of the most popular contemporary Kashmiri poets. Her poems have been translated in English, German, Italian, Korean, Telugu, Canadian, Tamil, Marathi, and Telugu. She rose to fame with her poetry. We spoke of the Kashmir atrocities from a woman's perspective. Her poetic style is one that combines honesty with nostalgia and always manages to leave an impression on those who read it. Number 2, Zinda Call. The fading moonlight in the last hours of the night, the sweet fragrance of flowers everywhere, the music of the heavens and the earth is one, the soft breeze of heavens and the magic in the air. Perhaps he is just about to arrive, perhaps he has come, the one who waits for me, my eternal love. Zinda Kaul, fondly known as Master Ji, was the first Kashmiri poet to win the Sahitya Academy Award for his poetry collection Sumran. Greatly influenced by Lal Ded, he mainly wrote on devotion and philosophy. He composed poems in Persian, Hindi, Urdu, and Kashmiri, and also translated Kashmiri works into English, Persian, and Devanagari. His death in 1965 was considered to be a monumental loss to the Kashmiri literary world. Number 3, Lal Ded. Wear just enough to keep the cold out. Eat just enough to keep hunger from your door. Mind dream yourself beyond self and other. Remember this body is just speaking for jungle crows. Laleshwari, or as she was more famously known as Lalded, was perhaps the most famous Kashmiri poet belonging to the 14th century. Known for his works, she renounced her marriage and became a student of the saint Siddha Srikantha. Her poems are often derived from experiences in her personal life and her brushes with Sufism. Laldet has had lasting effect on Kashmiri literature and Sufism, with her poems being translated to English by a number of authors. Number 4, Rupa Bhavani. Selflessness is the sign of selfless. Bow down at the door of the selfless. The selfless are the highest authority, the king of the times and wearers of the crest and crown. Following the footsteps of Laldet was Rupa Bhavani, whose spiritual poetry made her one of the most popular poets of Kashmir. Renouncing marriage, she took up the name Alkeshwari and with her father as her spiritual guru, grew as a poet. Unlike Laldet, whose poems are simplified over time, Rupa Bhavani's poems were preserved throughout in Sanskrit, thereby retaining their original meaning and impact, and showed the influence of her mastery over the languages like Kashmiri, Sanskrit, Persian, and Hindustani. Number 5, Abdul Ahad Azad. There is a restlessness in the heart, there is a veil over our dreams. All this is an illusion. When will you wake up? The heartbroken, the dejected, my friends and well wishers. How you destroy human hearts in the name of the human. Often called the John Keats of Kashmir, Abdul Ahad Azad was a well known modernist poet. In his poetry, he criticized religious orthodoxy and strove to remind people of their purpose. In his short life, he composed ghazals, long poems, and couplets, and was a pioneer in the Kashmiri nationalist movement in the 19th.